Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable MacBook Air external SSD formatting with disk utility detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by connecting your external SSD to your MacBook Air. Open the disk utility application. You can find disk utility by clicking on the Finder icon. Next, navigate to the Applications folder. From there, open the Utilities folder. Locate Disk Utility in the Utilities folder and double-click to open it. Once Disk Utility is open, you will see a list of available drives on the left sidebar. Select your external SSD from this list. Ensure that the correct drive is selected to avoid formatting the wrong device. Click the Erase button at the top of the window. A new dialog box will appear prompting you to name the drive. Enter a name for your external SSD as desired. Next, choose a file format from the drop-down menu. For most users, APFS works best for SSDs. If compatibility with older devices is necessary, select exFAT. You may also choose Mac OS Extended, Journaled, if you primarily use the drive with Mac systems. After selecting the file format, choose a schema. Typically, GUID partition map is the best option for external SSDs. Review your selections carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click the Erase button in the dialog box. The disk utility will begin formatting your external SSD. This process may take a few moments. Wait for the confirmation that the formatting is complete. You should see a message indicating that the erase was successful. Your external SSD is now formatted and ready for use. Close disk utility once you are finished. Safely eject the external SSD before disconnecting it from your MacBook Air. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.